So he perimeter mulched my entire, basically around close to 2 miles, 9,000 feet of fence in about 4 days.
Is that right?
He did a great job of putting up a fence. It's everything he said he would do when he said he was going to do it. I'm extremely impressed, particularly with the predator wire.
Yeah, let's talk about the predator wire and why that was so important to you on your property.
Well, keeping cows out is pretty easy.
Yeah.
Saying anything will do that, but keeping hogs out is another deal. You know, it was not unusual to see 20 or 30 hogs at a feeder in any given picture.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and John got talking about the predator wire and how it came, when the fence came down and it went out, the hogs were standing on the wire so they couldn't go underneath.
Sure.
When he got done last year about this time, since that period of time, we have not seen a single hog on the camera. There's no sign, there's no nothing.
Is that right?
That was amazing.
That's great.